Center, owned and operated by Ms. Analu Zarzuelo. At ang pinakabago po sa ating pamilya, ang Cotabato Satellite Center, owned and operated by Mr. Roldan Mercado. At syempre po, ang pinakahintay din natin ang ating Manila Grand Sizzle na gagawin po natin sa October of 2013. Mga mahal kong dealers, dahil tuloy-tuloy ng ating worldwide expansion, dapat lang na magmukhang pang-world class din po ang ating website. So in just a few days, we will be launching the new look of our first Vita Plus website. And now, because I'm always asking you to find which roadmap works for you and your first Vita Plus business, hanapin ang daan sa tagumpay na babagay sa inyo. And the best option is still our most impressive VitaLife catalog. Announcing ang ating pong bagong VitaLife 2013 second edition para po sa mga bagong success and product testimonials. Ako po yan. Again, that our products reign supreme in the industry. Na palagi tayong nauuna at palagi tayong #1. So I bring you our newest batch of products that are superior to its kind in this industry. From the Soap Factory ETC under the TLC Gabby line, we have the TLC Gabby Nourishing Baby Lotion and the TLC Gabby Baby Oil. Non-irritating formulations to gently moisturize baby's skin. Contains easily absorbed nourishes from vitamin E and jojoba oil to keep delicate skin soft and supple. And from Herbal Blessings, I give you the newest variant of the Oil of Life Moringa Oil, presenting the Ginger Lavender Oil. Perfect! Muscular pain and physically induced injuries. Perfectly blended with the healing benefits of moringa oil, ginger oil, and lavender oil. And, of course, from First Vita Plus, I give you Holy Basil with Power Herbs Fusion Tea. Holy Basil or Tulasi, a medicinal herb known to substantially help lower blood sugar levels para po sa mga diabetic. Similar to standard oral diabetes medications. Combined with the healing properties of Moringa oleifera, Codurus olitorius, Ipomeo batatas, Capsicum frutescens, and Amaranthus spinosus, it becomes a strong fighter against diabetic symptoms. It also helps resist bacterial and viral infections, maintains respiratory health, and eases symptoms of asthma and other allergies. And now, I bring you Coffee Fiesta, a fun and delicious twist for coffee lovers. Enjoy the aromatic blend of coffee with a hint of fruity goodness. It also includes a unique blend of power herbs extracts of Moringa, Ipomea, Capsicum, Amaranthus, and Corcorus. Power packed to meet your daily requirements of vitamins, minerals, micronutrients, antioxidants, and immunity-enhancing phytochemicals. Sweetened with cocoa sugar. Healthier than refined white sugar and brown sugar. Available in Coffee Dalandan, Coffee Melon, and Coffee Apple. Ngayon po, patuloy ang paglaki ng First Vita Plus. Hindi na po maiwasan na ang ating negosyo at produkto ay makaabot na po sa mas maraming Filipino overseas, including other foreign nationals. Now that the business of First Vita Plus is slowly gaining ground in international waters, we also want the world to know that financial freedom is now within reach. Launching this third quarter of 2013 is our newest mandate, our global mission that will ring through every household around the world. So this is our official global mission. First Vita Plus teaches every individual everywhere to dream of a better life, far richer than what they have now. We can do it, one global dreamer at a time. One dream, one country, one globe, one destiny. Financial freedom for all. Gusto pa po niyo?
Yes!
Kaya pa?
Yes!
Okay. Natatandaan po ninyo ang ating recent promo. Yung ating pong 3 for 1, 1 for all. Due to insistent dealers' demand, First Vita Plus po is now extending this promo for all cash purchases from July 9 up to September 30 only, 2013. Ito po yung free health pack for the first 3 power pack purchases made in cash, and another free health pack for every power pack purchases after that. And there's more. You now have a choice. You can choose your free product, either Guyabano po or Dalandan Vitalite. Okay? Okay na ba? Okay. More pa?
Yes!
Eh talagang pang more pa, ako pa.
Yes!
This next announcement is my latest pride and joy. At sigurado pong ipagmamalaki din ninyong lahat. I decided that because of all your personal testimonials of healing and dreams made true by First Vita Plus, we needed an avenue by which to immortalize your stories. And you have all served as my inspiration in this endeavor. And because we are now going headstrong into the global market, it is only right that we get only the best in the global arena. It is fate that brought me to award the winning screenwriter, Mr. Henry Burgos. And this internationally acclaimed director, whose achievements include Best Director for Kinatay in the Indie Film category of the 62nd Cannes Film Festival in 2009 in the United Kingdom. Best Film for Lola in the 64th Dubai International Film Festival 2009. Competed in February 2012 for his film Captive in the 62nd Berlin International Film Festival. Competed also in 2012 for his film
Nung nag-shoot sa
Daimon in the 69th Venice International Film Festival. And most recently, informed by the ministerial orders of the French Republic that he has been knighted the principal honorable distinctions of the French Order of the Arts and Letters. Introducing the first Vita Plus movie entitled Sibo.